Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. We're going to do a series of videos here that's going to introduce a full lineup of new automatic taping tools. We're going to start with our nail spotter. We still got the 2 and a 3-inch nail spotter, but the structure of these has changed 100%. You'll notice that this is now all billet aluminum, machined side plates. Every piece of this is machined, ultra high quality. Hard coat black anodized side plates as well for absolutely extra smooth push. We've upgraded this wiper to a proprietary material that creates the lowest friction push of any tool out in the marketplace today. We've changed the attachment method, so this will now attach to a standard corner roller pole or any one of our extendable or standard handles. You just screw that attachment in and you're ready to go. You've got an adjustment here, so you can adjust the tension on your attachment here so that you can get exactly the right feel that you want on the wall. We've gone to a single inside axle here, so a solid axle with nice hard wheels. Our carbide blade, which is adjustable at the top just to make sure you get the proper finish. And again, you'll just notice the quality machining the whole way around. We've got a brand new thumb latch, which again extruded aluminum and machined to make it easy to open, and all the structures have gone to hinges now. You'll see this across not just our nail spotters, but also our flat boxes. So what that does is it gives you an absolutely perfect and consistent push force when you're moving that back plate in and out. It's going to pivot on that exact same point every single time. These will change the industry. This is going to be the best nail spotter in the marketplace today. We've engineered these. We've gotten lots of engineered these for performance, lots of finisher feedback around the world, and we know that you're going to love these tools. So check out the new nail spotters at level5tools.com or any of our other online platforms. Welcome to the Red Zone.